Dr. M. Latha, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, Sri Sarda College for Women, Salem. I am going to take the basic concepts of network, applications of networks, different type of bus topologies, different categories of computer networks, and different layers of the OSI model. Before going to discuss about this networks, first of all we should know about what is data communication. So data communication, it is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium. We can say as an example wire cable. Communicating devices must be part of communication system that is made up of combination of hardware and software. Then regarding characteristics of the communication, we can say three characteristics. First one is delivery, second one is accuracy, and third one is timeliness. Regarding the components in data communication system, totally there are 5 components in data communication system. First one is message, second one is sender, third one is receiver, fourth one is medium, fifth one is protocol. First one is message. Message is nothing but it is the information. So sender, it is a device which is used to send the data message. Receiver itself, it is a device which is used to receive the data message. Medium, it is a physical path by which message travels from sender to the receiver. Protocol, it is a set of rules that govern data communications. Next, applications of network. Electronic messaging, facemail machine, teleconferencing, cellular telephone, information services, financial services, marketing and sales. So these all are, we can say, for applications of network. First, that is first one is electronic messaging. The most widely used network application is the electronic mail. So the email, it is possible to send a message to remote locations. Next one is facemail machine. So a fax machine, it is used to create an electronic equivalent of an image on a sheet of paper, and it sends the image over telephone lines. A fax machine, at the other end, it is used to create the original paper's image. Third one is, we can say, teleconferencing as an application for network. So the teleconferencing, it allows conferences to occur without the participants that is being in the same place. Teleconferencing, it includes three, that is one, text conferencing, next one is voice conferencing, third one is video conferencing. Text conferencing, here the participants, they communicate through their keyboards and computer monitors. The second one is voice conferencing. Here the participants at a number of locations, they communicate simultaneously over the phone. Third one is video conferencing, where the participants can see as well as talk to one another. So fourth application, we can say, for this network, cellular telephone. So today's cellular networks make it possible to maintain wireless phone connections while traveling over large distances. Next one is information service. It is on another application for a network. It includes bulletin boards and data banks. Bulletin boards, it allows the free exchange of some software files or other information. A World Wide site, it offers the technical specifications for a new product in an information service. Next, financial service. Here, it include credit history searches, foreign exchange and investment services, and electronic funds transfer. Last application, we can say, for network is marketing and sales. Computer network is mostly they used in both marketing and sales organizations. So next, networks. What is a network? So network, it is a set of devices connected by media links. Node can be a computer, printer, or any other device capable of sending and receiving data generated by other nodes on the network. The links which is used to connect the devices, that are often called communication channels. A computer network, how it is defined? It is defined as an interconnected collection of autonomous computers. Two computers are to be interconnected when they are able to exchange information. So it is important to identify a set of constraints that and requirements that influence network design. One is, an application programmer would list the services. For example, each message the application sends, that will be delivered without error within a certain amount of time. Next one, a network designer would list the properties of a cost-effective design. Next one is, a network provider would list the characteristics of a system that is easy to administer and manage. Next next topology. So what is topology? So topology, it is the layout of the connection that is formed between computers. So there are different types of topology. First one is bus topology, next one is star topology, third one is ring topology, fourth one is tree topology, then mesh topology, next combination of different topologies. So first one is bus topology. So a network that uses a bus topology, it consists of a single long cable where the computers are attached. Any computer attached to a bus, it can send a signal, um, and all computers that will receive the signal. Um, some advantages are there for bus topology, as well as disadvantages are there in the bus topology. Regarding advantages of bus topology, connecting a computer or peripheral to a bus is very easy. This topology requires least amount of cabling to connect the computers, so we can say that it is very less expensive. It is easy to extend a bus since two cables can be joined into one longer cable with a connector. Next disadvantages, it when entire network shut down if there is a failure in the backbone. Heavy traffic can slow down a bus because computers on such networks, they do not coordinate with each other to reserve time to transmit. So another topology is star topology. It is the oldest communication design method with roots in telephone switching systems. A network, it uses a star topology if all computers that are attached to a central point. So here in this star topology, hub it plays major role. So what is hub? Hub is nothing but it is a central device that joins single cable segments or individual local area network into one network. Typical hub, it consists of an electronic device that is used to accept data from a sending computer and delivers it to the appropriate destination. In star topology, the failure of hub, it brings down the entire network. Some advantages are there for star topology, as well as disadvantages are also there. So regarding advantages, we can say for star topology, it is easy to install and wire. The network is not disrupted even if a node fails or it is removed from the network. Fault detection and removal of faulty parts easier in star topology. So regarding disadvantages of star topology, it requires a longer length of a cable. If the hub fails, nodes attached to it are disabled. The cost of the hub, it makes the network expensive as compared to bus and ring topology. So next classification of topology is ring topology. So a ring topology, it is a continuous path for data with no logical beginning or ending points, and thus no terminators. Workstations and file servers are attached to the cable at points around the rings. So the ring topology, it is easier to manage than the bus. Regarding advantages and disadvantages of this topology, ring topology, it is easy to install and reconfigure. Every computer is given equal access to the ring, hence no single computer can monopolize the network. So these all are advantages which are given for this type of network. Next, regarding disadvantages, failure in any cable or node, it breaks the loop and it can take down the entire network. Maximum ring length and the number of nodes, they are limited. So next topology is tree topology. So this is the variation of the star topology. See, in the star topology, the nodes in a tree, they are linked to a central hub that is used to control the traffic to the network. A good example we can say for tree topology is cable TV technology. So in that, the main cable from main office, that is divided into main branches, with each branch that is divided into the smaller branches and so on. The hubs are used when a cable is divided. Advantages are given for this tree topology. What are the advantages which is given for tree topology? First one is the distance to which the signal that can travel, that increases the signal passes. Next is tree topology. It allows isolating and tracing communications from different nodes. Then it allows for easy expansion of an existing network, that is used to enable any organization to configure a network to meet their requirements or needs. So next disadvantages about this tree topology. If the backbone line breaks, the entire segment, it goes down. It is more difficult to configure a wire than other topologies. Next, the last one is mesh topology. So it is a fully connected topology. It is has a direct connection between every pair of devices in the network. So it is an extreme design. Um, if two devices want to communicate, they do so directly with involving other devices. Next advantages, disadvantages regarding this mesh topology. Advantages: use of large number of links that eliminates the network congestion. If one link it becomes unusable, it does not disable the entire system. Disadvantages about this mesh topology: the amount of required cabling is very large. Then the amount of hardware required in this type of mesh topology can make it very expensive to implement. Next, as every node that is connected to other node, installation and configuration is very difficult. Um, Next, different categories of networks. Broadly speaking, there are two types of networks based on transmission technology. So, based on transmission technology, the networks can be classified into broadcast network and point-to-point networks. So, what is broadcast network? What is point-to-point networks? So, broadcast network have a single communication channel that is shared by all the machines on the network. Um, Broadcast systems also allow the possibility of addressing a packet to all destination by using a special code in the address field. Short messages which are called packets that is sent by any machine and that are also received by all other machines. Mm, when a packet with this code is transmitted, it is received and processed by every machine on the network. That type of operation which is known as broadcasting. The another category of network which is described on the basis of transmission technology, point-to-point network, that consists of many connections between individual pair of machines. In this type of network, to go from source to destination, a packet on this type of network first that has to visit one or more intermediate machines. Then multiple routes of different length they are possible, and in this case of point-to-point networks, the routing algorithm it plays an important role. Um, then on the size and ownership, the distance it covers and its physical architecture. On basis of that, we can classify the network into local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, and multimedia network. So, local area network. Local area network, they are used to interconnect distributed communities of computer-based data terminal equipment. Um, um, Next, for example, we can say we use a local area network to interconnect workstations which is distributed around offices within a single building or group of buildings such as a university campus, etc. There we can use this type of local area network. Then this local area network, the most common topologies used are bus ring and star topologies that can be used in this local area network. It have data rates which lies in the range from 4 to 16 megabits per second. Another category we can say that is metropolitan area network. It is basically a bigger version of local area network, and it uses a similar technology. It is designed to extend over an entire city. The high-speed links between lands within a man, they are possible by fiber optic connections. We can say the cable television network as an example for this metropolitan area network. Next category which is given on based of this size and its physical architecture, wide area network. The wide area network, it is composed of two or more local area networks that are connected across a distance of more than 30 miles. Another one is multimedia network. Uh, Generally, the term multimedia that is used to indicate the information or the data that is being transferred over the network that consists of that may be composed of using the media types such as text, images, audio, and video. There are five basic types of communication network that are used to provide communication services, that is telephone networks, data networks, broadcast television networks, integrated service digital networks, and broadband multi-service networks. First one is telephone networks. telephone networks, um, otherwise known as public switched telephone network. So they were designed to provide a basic switched telephone service. Um, so this type of network, it is otherwise known as old telephone network. So it is used to indicate that the subscriber can make a call to on any other telephone that is connected to the total network. So another category which is given on basis of this multimedia communication services, that is data network. They were designed to provide basic data communication services such as electronic mail and general file transfer. Third one is broadcast television network, that are designed to support the diffusion of analog television throughout the wide geographical areas. Fourth one is integrated service digital network. Classification is given on basis of its multimedia communication services. So it has been promoted all over the world by the International Telecommunication Union. It has the capability of exchanging broadband information, that is voice, video, and data via the same network, which is called ISDN. The last one is um, which is given as a broadband multi service network. So this also given one of the classification on basis of multimedia communication services. They were designed for use a public switched network to support a wide range of multimedia communication applications. So the term broadband that was used to indicate the circuits that is associated with a call that have bit rates in excess of maximum bit rate of 2 megabits per second. Next a concept, that is different layers of the OS model. OS model consists of 7 layers. First one is application layer, the second one is presentation layer, third one is session layer, fourth one is transport layer, fifth one is network layer, sixth one is data link layer, seventh one is physical layer. um, what is the purpose of the application layer? So this is the first layer which is described in the OSI model. So the purpose or function of the application layer, we can say that it is used to provide user services such as electronic mail, file transfers, remote job entry, and resource allocation. The application layer protocols that have been developed for this file transfer, email, network management, and other applications. The second layer of the OS model is presentation layer. Um, the purpose is that is responsible for presenting data in the format the user can understand. For example, suppose two different computers, they use different numeric and character formats. The presentation layer, it is used to translate data from one representation to another, and also used to insulate the user from the differences so that the user can exchange information. The presentation layer can also provide security measures. The presentation layer, it may encrypt data before handling to the lowest to the lower layers for transfer. And also at the other end, it is used to decrypt the data after receiving. So the third one is session layer. This used to this type of layer that is used to establish logical connection. For example, a user may log on to a remote system, and it may communicate by alternatively sending or receiving messages. The session layer, it concerns file management and overall networking functions. Next one is transport layer. So the transport layer, it is responsible to ensure that the data is sent reliably from the sending node to the destination node. The transport layer, it provides end-to-end error recovery and flow control. The network layer, it deals with the routing strategies that are also responsible for delivery of a packet from source to destination. For example, if two systems, they are connected in a bidirectional ring network, there are two paths between any 2 points. If two systems that are connected to the same link, there is no need for the network layer. The two systems, they are attached to different networks with connecting devices between the networks. There is often need for the network layer to complete source to destination delivery. So the network layer, it controls the communication subset the collection of transmission media and switching elements that is required for routing and data transmission. Next one is data link layer. The data link layer, it also provides for the transfer of frames across a transmission link that directly connects two nodes. The data link layer also it recognizes a format. Here in this case of data link layer, the data are often transmitted in the frames which consist of a group of bytes which is organized according to a specified format. So the data link layer it uses error reduction and correction techniques so that the transmission it contains no errors. And also this data link layer it uses flow control techniques which control how much information that is sent at a time. The last one is physical layer. It deals with the transfer of bits over a communication channel. For example, copper wire pairs, coaxial cable, radio or optical fiber. The physical layer it also defines the mechanical, electrical, functional and procedural specifications that identify the items like the connectors and cable types that are used as a medium of communications link. Then electrical specifications it cover aspects that affect the impedance, operating power, frequency and bandwidth limitations, etc. Then functional aspects is used to define the use of any interconnecting lines such as data and control functions. Procedural concerns it defines the lowest type of protocol rule that are required to assure a good communication link. Thank you.